Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney. Thanksgiving week 2024, Nancy and I found ourselves in Walt Disney World. Join us as we tour room 839 at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, specifically in the Grand Destino Tower. I think you'll be impressed. We were very impressed. Let's go. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Travel to Disney, and today we're doing a tour of our room at Disney's Coronado Springs. Yes, moderate, that's really more like a deluxe resort. Let's take a look. So we are here on the 8th floor of Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and this is a review. Those of you who like to know the actual room number of room 839. This room is fantastic. I am very impressed. Our first time staying at Coronado Springs. Right away you know something that's different. Got a beautiful barn door there. Beautiful. And usually barn doors are for space savers, but you know what? This room doesn't need it as far as a space saver, so it's a really nice touch. Over on the right, absolutely, you can see our luggage. We literally just came in from Phoenix. So let's continue to go to the left and look at the washroom. So many of the members of the Disney for Seniors Facebook group and the new Disney for Seniors website, companion website, said, would it be nice if there was a walk-in shower as opposed to having to step over a tub? Well, here it is in our room, a beautiful walk-in shower. So here, it's no longer the H2O products. We're trying those out. So his and her sinks, like that. Over here we have more Disney bath products, including mouthwash, bath soap. Always like to look at what's under the sink. And there it is, no surprises. All right, and then over to the left, more, we've got mirror, and we have the washroom, the toilet. There's all the towels. Then to the bathroom. Again, it has the slider door. Okay, let's go into the main area. So here we have a closet, tall closet. Wow. Floor to ceiling. Safe that should fit Nancy's laptop. Yes, steam iron. Use it. And look at that, I like that touch. As soon as the door on the right opens, the light goes on automatically. Really nice. There's more storage area down there, kind of dark. There's the full length mirror. Again, it's a pillow blanket. All right. So continuing to make our way in. Over to the right. Small bench there, either just to sit down putting your shoes and socks on, or if you wanted to lay one of your suitcases on. Always asked, what kind of coffee maker is in the room? So here it is, a single serve Keurig. And here, this actually is cool. And no pun intended, though that was pretty good. Where it's a see-through mini fridge. And yeah, this one's actually cool. I like that. Good quality. All right, what's next? Continuing, with the right, so we got the long table. Things on, chair. Of course, there's the Welcome Powell family at Disney's, yes, Coronado Springs Resort. Okay, so 3 drawers, really good size. Look at that. Really good size. Got the hello friends. All right. So another chair to relax over there. I'll skip the view for a minute. If you saw that at the opening. So there's couch pull out. And now we can see over here the bed. So, and as those of you who have been following our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel for a while, I'll know a pet peeve of mine is when one side of the bed, and it's usually my side of the bed, does not have anything for me to put my glasses on. And that's really important for seniors where, you might have your medication and your glasses and you want to water and so all kinds of things. So very happy to report that here, a large night table on both sides. Again, very cool, lots of electrical outlets. 1, 2, and USB there, 2 more there. Large drawers again, very nice. Another mirror. And look at the design. Get close in on that with the headboard. It's got padding at the lower portion, but a really nice design that fits the motif of Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. I also really like this touch here, the nightlight. And there's one on both sides. So it's a very large room, very spacious, very chill. Speaking of chill, when you walk in, you might think it's cool, yeah, because it's set at 68 degrees. So for Nancy and I, being from Phoenix, we gotta put that up a few degrees. All right. So one last look of the room here, and again of that view. And this is gonna be so cool because from here, since we can see directly out at Hollywood Studios, and then over to the right is Epcot with Spaceship Earth there on the far left, be able to see some fireworks at night. Very cool. The other thing I like about this resort, of many things, but one thing from this view, is all the trees, the forests. And yes, you've got the parking lot there, but the forest really draws my eyes away from the parking lot and out to nature, and of course then to the parks. Of course, there's no mistaking Tower of Terror is a landmark. Hey, and so one more thing I should mention about this chair in the corner, it's a nice swivel chair, which is pretty cool. It's very comfortable. So that's about it for our tour of room 839 in the Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We're gonna have several other videos for you about Disney's Coronado Springs. Nancy and I are really excited. It's our first time being here. And so it's always got that, that first time feeling of excitement and learning new things and seeing things up close and personal. Hopefully this video helped you out. Again, subscribe to our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney YouTube channel. Look for other reviews that we have done in the past of various kinds of Walt Disney World and non-Walt Disney World Disney resorts. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And here are 2 more videos from our Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney for older adults and seniors for you to watch. So click on either of them right now.